Hi there Wargamers, Dan, DeathBringa Cain here, bringing you another unboxing. This time it's Lando Calrissian for Imperial Assault from Fantasy Flight Games. So as usual, we're going to have a quick look at the packaging and the box art, even though it's a blister pack, but you know what I mean. So a nice artwork of Billy D. Williams' likeness from episode 5 and 6. Overview of the actual contents there in the back there, let you know what you get yourself into. And so let's crack this open and we'll see what they're really contained within. So everyone's favourite scoundrel, suave and sophisticated. Right, so also first things first, let's have a quick look at the Mini. So we'll zoom in there. So he's looking rather suave and sophisticated with his cape, billowing, and when he comes to save the day, even though he may have caused the incident to be saved from. So nice load of detail, nice likeness of the actor from Star Wars Return of the Jedi and Empire Strikes Back. Nice thing, the trousers, they got a line down the outside. So I think that'll be quite nice and interesting to paint up. So we'll go to the card components. As per usual with the upgrade packs, we've got a camera that's zoomed too far in. So we've got the little information sheet slash skirmish mission map and contents guide. So that's nice there, nice little map there. And what else we've got? We've also got a objective, not an objective, a campaign mission. Oh, nice little thing. So we'll need the Bespin Gambit to be able to play that one. Looks like part of the map tiles from there. Not the end of the world. I'll be getting that eventually. So let's have a look at the other card components, the actual cards contained within this little baggie, which is always nice for Fantasy Flight. Right then, so let's zoom in. So he's looking quite nice. Some nice always on abilities, quite a good shot. That's my little knowledge of Imperial Assault so far exhausted. Nice little artwork. So what else we got? We've got a reward card there, Lady Luck. Oh, is this a status card? Oh, we've got a hidden status. Do you want to read that? See what that's all about. And then we've got 4 skirmish upgrades, I believe these are. You can read these if you pause it and read these if you want to. So we've got black market prices. Stall for time. Tough luck. Oh, that's a back game again. And cheat to win. We've also got a, I think it's a skirmish upgrade card for heroic effort. If you want to read that, feel free. Nice artwork of the briefing from is it Return of the Jedi. We've got the side mission card. Nice artwork, and again you get the 2 skirmish map cards. They're not that lovely artwork on the back. Okay guys, that's been Lando Calrissian. There he is again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and all that guys if you want to. Thanks for watching guys, and check out the next video. Thank you, bye bye.